Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling ingredients and starting the stock immediately. Place 5 kg chicken in a large pot, add cold water to cover by 2-3 cm, and toss in an onion, head of garlic, and a 2-inch knob of ginger. These release flavor slowly. Bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat and watch closely. Once scum forms, skim it off to keep the yakhni clear. Make sure to keep the heat low enough so the liquid barely moves, because hard boiling clouds and toughens the meat. Once the initial foam is skimmed and the pot is calm, add spices to bloom: coriander, cardamom, cinnamon, turmeric, and a measured pinch of salt. You simmer for 35–45 minutes so collagen dissolves into the broth, yielding body without reducing clarity. Make sure to maintain a gentle bubble. This is why you keep the heat low. When meat is tender, test with a fork. Then strain through a fine sieve to separate clear yakhni from solids, and reserve both the stock and the cooked chicken for finishing. You finish by returning shredded or whole pieces to the strained yakhni and warming gently so flavors meld. Finish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon to brighten the broth. If you prefer a richer taste, reduce the stock for 5–10 minutes, but make sure to stir and monitor so it does not overconcentrate. If the yakhni turned cloudy, cool slightly and skim the fat, then strain through cheesecloth. Next time, avoid vigorous boiling, and always start with cold water to promote a clear stock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.